You know, in our Gujarati, the stand-up comedian, like nowadays they say stand-up comedian and everything, but there used to be like one comedian, Shahabuddin Rathod. He is a teacher, and he used to go to the different events and doing the like sitting and then doing the Hasya Karyakram. Like that time it was not known as a stand-up comedian and all these things, but like that guy was really very poor, only doing the teacher job, not tuition job and anything else, or like he has a lot of debt, so he has to pay a lot of money for his parents debt. So Shahabuddin Rathod, one time he was talking about his visit to the United States, and like in local Gujarati language, he says that like they went to the restaurant and the white waiter come, and they got so much like impressed, or I don't know, some kind of the reaction come in our genes, in Indian genes, when we see the Indian white guy. So like he says that like we don't know what to do, so we just get up. Like they were sitting in a restaurant in a chair, and when the waiter come to take the order, you don't need to get up, but like he says that we just get up, like we don't know what to do, like it is like sign of the obey. So my point is that like we are as an Indian so much obey to the white color, the Gora color, Caucasian color, that like, and then at the opposite side it is for the black color or the African color, like we have for no reason some kind of the like tuchata in our genes for no reason. And along with the so many things, we need to teach our children, train our children's mind from the KG, from the first grade, from the second grade, for these things. Like from the first grade, please try to teach our children, train our children along with the cleanliness, along with the vinamrata. Please teach them. Everybody say please, thank you everywhere. Everybody learn how to keep the things clean. Everybody know how to use the garbage. Everybody learn where to urinate, where to decaffeinate, where to go toilet, and how to keep toilet clean. And at the same time, these things, please teach them. Please teach. Listen to me, in Gujarat or in India, this is very important. And when they reach at the age 10 or 12, please teach the sex education. And I know the sex is the very, very chi word in our India. People like untouchable words, chi word, sex is. So use some other words like calm education, or that kind of the words that can hide behind the real education, behind the real word. Calm education, you can say calm shastra, you can say some some other kind of the words. There are always people come up with the good words that is like vegetarian words, like not non-veg word, and that's way. So please enter this kind of the basic education in our system, regardless of the government school or the private school. Please, religious school or non-religious school, please. Thanks. Jai Hind.